Welcome to the world of modern bathroom luxury. Imagine stepping out of a soothing shower or relaxing bath and wrapping yourself in a warm, cozy towel. Electrically heated towel rails can transform this dream into your everyday reality. Let's dive into why these innovative additions are becoming a must-have in bathrooms everywhere. Gone are the days when towel rails needed to be connected to the central heating system. Traditionally, rails often leave you with cold towels in the summer months, but electrically heated towel rails offer year-round comfort and convenience. Just a flick of a switch. Enjoy warm towels anytime. Here's why you should consider an electrically heated towel rail. Year-round comfort, independent of your central heating, ensuring warm towels all year. Variety of styles and sizes, from compact to spacious bathroom ones. There's a design for every space. Easy installation and replacement. Simple to switch from traditional to electric with professional help. Designed to be energy efficient, minimizing the impact on your energy bills. Added warmth. Helps keep your bathroom cozy during colder months. Thinking about installation, safety and ethics are crucial. Choose a nearby power source outside the bathroom. Install a switch fuse spur for a safe power supply, and consider additional benefits like a boost or timer switch for optimal use. Make sure you hire a NIC EIC approved electrician like ourselves for a professional and secure installation. Here's how you get started. Evaluate your bathroom needs. Consult with professionals. Choose the right features and enjoy the comfort. Electrically heated towel rails blend luxury, convenience and style, offering a practical solution for warm towels every day. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.